Hi, this is Dr. Nicole Caldwell, and I'm going to be making a video modeling demonstration of an art project for marble painting. And so what video modeling is when we make a video demonstration of a skill or behavior or something we want a student with autism to learn or do. And having a video presentation of it really plays into their visual learning style that many of them have, and so it can be a really powerful teaching tool. I'm going to link in this video to another video that talks a little bit more about video modeling, but what's going to be in this one is a video demonstration of an art project, and you will let the child watch the video demonstration to know what to do for the project. So when it's time to start the project, I'm going to zoom in on just my paper and my art materials, so you will only see that in the video. And so it will be very zoomed in on the area to reduce any visual distractions. And I would probably even recommend muting the video so that there's no auditory distractions either. So the project we're going to be making is marble painting, and it's going to be in the shape of an apple just because that's a particular craft I have for a book I'm using. But you can make it anything you want. This is kind of one example of what it may look like when you're finished. But we're going to make one together now. So I'm going to go ahead and lower the screen so just so you can see my art materials, and that's the part that you'll show to the students. So thanks so much for watching. And there's the apple. It's all done. Great job.